YouTube HD, and right now I am making the new Angry Bird from Angry Bird Space. I made it up in my head, but I'm not done yet. So I got my website, and I'm making this out of Sculpty clay, and my brother is making his own, and he doesn't know anything yet. But I'm doing the eyebrows now, and I got my website called EvanTube HD, and Evan made a lot of clay models, and I just have one, which was the Space Eagle from the last video, and it's very cool. I told my friends and my teacher and other friends, teachers, and my other friends, and friends that have in my class.
And now you're going to show it to the world on YouTube.
Yeah.
Say signing off.
Signing off. Bye.